Today's topic is memoization using the decorators and the Python. Now, what is the decorators? Right, it is a function which takes a function as its only parameter, and after that, it's going to return that function. Now, as you can see, the inner function which we have over here is a decorators, and after that, we are returning that function. And here I have used another function, that is a factorial, which is passing a parameter, and that is n is equals to 1, and we are going to return it as it's going to have the recursion function calling itself, and then we are printing the 4. So what does this memory is going to do over here is it's going to have this memory content stored in the mem, which is an empty dictionary over here. Now, what does this inner function is going to do is, if that n is not present in the memory, then it is going to store in the memory, and then we are returning the memory. If it is present, then we are just going to return the memory. Now, in this factorial over here, I find the factorial of the 4, and as you can see it over here, it's going to go first, it's going to check the memory, that if the n is present in the memory or not. If it is present in the memory, then it's directly going to just show me the answer of the factorial, that is the 24. If it is not present, then it's going to count the factorial using this def_fact method. So that's how this decorators and the memoizations in the Python works.